Hello everybody, this is Rajab Nacha, Technical Product Lead at Vardot. In this video, I'm going to show you what's changed in Varbase documentations after the release of Varbase 10.0.0 Alpha 1. So last week, we released Varbase Alpha 1, 10 Alpha 1, for testing and to try to build up on it and experiment with it. For the documentation, we made another change. So now when you go to docs.varbase.vardot.com, you will notice the 9.0.x next to Varbase Docs. So, for example, if you are on the page about Varbase, you can switch to 10 and the things will be changed for the 10 version. Same for that if a developer went up into installing Varbase, for example, they will notice a new changes and new requirements with that. So let's go back to Varbase 9, the installing Varbase. You can see it's calling the 9 and the screenshots are all for Varbase 9. If you switch the version to 10, you will notice it's calling the latest version and the screenshots are using the 10.0.alpha 1 version. And that's it for this video. So if you switch up to 9, the URL will be the same. If you switch to 10, the URL will be the same, but it will add a prefix for that, 10.0.x, indicating the page. So from now on, please check on the pages if you are on the 9 branch or 10 branch of Varbase. That's it for now. Thanks a lot. Cheers.